Kaya? Last push. 1, 2, 3. Uy, tigil. Niligil siya.
Hello, babe.
May alam ka bang pwedeng tumulong sa akin?
Babe, relax lang. Why not use the AYS app? They have professional movers that will handle everything for you.
The app is really easy to use and they offer lipat bahay services too na makakatulong talaga sa akin sa paglilipat ng ref at iba ko pang mga gamit. As much as I want to be an independent, strong woman na kayang gawin ang lahat on her own, there are really times when we all need a little help. Finally, everything is ready. I'm relaxed and now my new home feels complete. It's so satisfying.
Dahil sa AYS na paggaan ng buhay ko, kaya don't forget to download and book at AYS app.